Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Glyza Tomas.
What is your age?
My age is 31 years old.
Which were you born?
I born in Carigara, Leyte.
Do you have a valid work permit and a Hong Kong identity card?
No.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No.
What do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work because of my family financial needs.
What is your hometown?
My hometown is Meadowwood, Blueberry Street.
What is your level of education?
First year level, undergraduate of Banking and Finance.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old are they?
10, 8, 6.
Who take care of them?
My parents.
How many people are in your family?
10.
Are your parents alive?
Yes.
Do you have a financial commitment to support all of them?
No.
If they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My parents.
Do you have any debts here in your home country?
No.
How many years of experience do you have?
And abroad 6 months and local 2 years.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Enjoy cooking.
Do you have allergic for foods, drugs, and detergents?
No.
Are you afraid of pets?
No.
How did you handle contact with your previous employers?
To complete my previous employer, to understand always, even wrong.
Do you accept your day off but to be paid by your employer?
Yes.
In your last phase of employment, were both employers working?
And manager in ASOS and Citron.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Both.
How many hours each day did you work?
10 to 12 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No.
Would you be willing to attend such a course?
Yes.
If my child burns their hand in the iron, what would you do?
First, wash first the water and call the mom of the baby or kids.
If my son was very being naughty when you were babysitting him,
Yes, you should teach him so that he will know.
are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes,
Can you cook?
yes,
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
and Filipino food.
Would you be willing to cook such as a vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes,
Can you speak Cantonese?
no,
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes,
What do you like to do in your spare time?
sleeping,
Do you have any special skills like dancing, painting?
only singing and cooking.
Do you have any message to your employer?
To my employer, mom, please help me because I really need job. Uh, um, and I want I'm I'm a very good household helper, and I will do my duty.
Can you recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Alphabet song, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Thank you.
Thank you.